Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 2nd April 2021. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. This is the chart of AUDCAD. Okay, this is a present chart. Let me take you to this chart right now. This is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. As I've mentioned in my previous video that this is the 50 moving average, and as you can see, last week market took support at the 50 moving average and market bounced. Okay, and it formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Again, this week also you can see that market has tested the 50 moving average and it has bounced from there. So which signifies that yes, 50 moving average is a valid support now. Okay, valid support in the weekly chart. Therefore, we must be very cautious while shorting the market. Okay, because see, from this point market is coming down, and right now taking support at the 50 moving average in the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the scenario in the weekly chart, and as you can see, this is the overall chart of the market. As you can see, from this point market started coming down 9995. Okay, market, and since then market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average, and every time it is trying to go up, it is getting resistance from the 50 MA and is coming down. Okay, so we have can see that since March, okay, since March for last 1 month, market is unable to cross this level as 50 moving average is not allowing the market. Therefore, what should be a strategy then? As you can see, market is going up again. Okay, market is going up again, and if I zoom in the chart, okay, if I zoom in the chart, you can see that market is facing some price rejection from above. Okay, you can see that as market is going upward, okay, the size of the candles are becoming smaller. The size of the candles are getting smaller in size, which signifies that yes, price is struggling. Okay, price is struggling near the 50 moving average, which means that 50 MA, okay, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance. Okay, and as you can see, market is also in the overbought zone, or market has just entered the overbought zone. Therefore, there is not much upside. Okay, so if we combine this, the resistance from the 50 moving average, then overbought zone, okay, overbought zone, and overall trend of the market, then what should we do? The answer is simple. We should be looking for shorting opportunity only. And where should we short the opportunity, and which is the area of value? The area of value is just below the resistance. In this case, the resistance is the 50 moving average, is not it? 50 moving average is the resistance. Therefore, we will short the market just below the 50 moving average. Okay, if you want, if you want to enter right now, okay, you can enter, but the best way will be, let's wait for some time. Okay, just wait for some time and just observe the price. If you see that market may go up a little, okay, market may go up a little to test the 50 moving average, then you can short the market. Okay, or wait for some time. In case you see the market starts reversing from here, then you can go ahead and short the market later. But as of now, as market has just entered the overbought zone, wait for some time and let the market go up a little. Okay, when it will be testing the 50 moving average like this, like this, like this, and like this, then you can easily short the market. But do remember, there is a support, in the weekly chart. Okay, so that may be a problem. And if you short the market somewhere around here, okay, just observe the price at 0.9520 level. Okay. Though market has made a low of 9496, but market has got support at 0.9520 level. So if you short the market at around 9560 or 9555 level, then just observe the price when market will reach the 0.9520 level. In case you see that yes, market has crossed the 0.9520 level and there is heavy selling pressure, you can go ahead with your trade. Okay, you can carry on. But do remember, there is a support also available in the weekly chart. Therefore, be careful once market reaches the 0.9520 level. And for entry in the market, you just short the market or sell AUDCAD just below the 50 moving average. Just wait for some time, let it test 50 moving average, then reverse short the market. In case it crosses this level, okay, in case it crosses this level, then do not buy, leave it. Just wait for the confirmation. Okay, just wait for the confirmation to reverse, then you can easily short the market. Okay, and confirmation can be in the form of, as we all know, as I've already mentioned, or always I say, price rejection from above, shooting star kind of a pattern, big red candle like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, market is about to reverse, okay, then just short the market or sell AUDCAD. So this is a simple strategy that you can follow for AUDCAD for 2nd April 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you again. Bye bye. Take care. And do not forget to subscribe.